Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stephanie with the Y. Don't forget to subscribe. And for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys two beautiful looks that you can do for Thanksgiving this year and also just fall appropriate. So let's just get started. Starting off, as you can see, our base is already done for the most part. We're just going to hop right into our first look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. And the first shade that we'll be using is Sienna as our transition shade. For the transition shade, you do want to focus it mainly in the crease area and also the outer V, and just kind of smoke it out and blend it so that it's seamless. Next out, we did switch over to the Jackie Aina palette and use the shade Edges to just add to that transition color. I did want something more warm, more orange, you know, very Thanksgiving-ish. And similar to the first transition shade, you do want to stay in the crease area and also the outer V just to get everything blended together. And please ignore that light on the side there. Your girl is multitasking per usual. So at the same time, I was also recording for TikTok. So if you do want the shorter version, it is going to be on YouTube Shorts as well. Next up, we're going to switch over to the Alyssa Edwards palette just so we can use the Supreme on our lid. It's a really nice pinky nude, especially for my women of color. And we're just going to take that and pat it all over our eyelid. And right here we have a clean makeup brush just to blend out the edges. There is nothing added on it. That's my biggest tip really for anyone doing any eyeshadow look. You just really want to focus on the blending to ensure that everything is perfectly seamless. There's that look of something's missing. I gotta clearly someone wants to do the voiceover with me, but that is the look of something is missing. So we did go back to the Soft Glam palette and use the shade Mulberry to darken it up a bit. That is like a really nice burgundy shade. For this Mulberry shade, you do want to stay mainly in the outer V just so that it's a gradual effect and gives it like a nice little smokiness. Next up, we're going in with Haus Labs liquid eyeshadow in shade Glam Attack. What's crazy is that I can't even find the link for this online, so I'm pretty sure they don't sell this anymore. But if you do want, I do have like a Walmart link down in the description box below. Also, quick tip, when I do any lines or precision lines like this, I love using my pinky finger just to rest it on my face, like my cheekbone area as I'm showing you, just to get that precise line as accurate as possible. This is like literally the ultimate makeup tip ever. is the first look. Very soft, pretty, very appropriate for Thanksgiving in the living room. And of course, all the products will be in the description box. Now it's time for the second look, and I did wipe off the eyes carefully, leaving on the base, and now you'll just see me patting in some concealer on top of my eyelid as a base. So for the second look, we're jumping right back into the Jackie palette and also quickly cleaning our brushes with Cinema's Secrets. If you're not already hip, this is the best and fastest drying cleanser for your brushes, but this is obviously not a deep clean, it's just, you know, really quick spot cleaning. With the shade Credit, we're just going to pat that all over our lid. Basically, we're going to try to do like a smoky eye, so you want to also blend out the edges at the same time. Also, if you guys notice that white residue on the lace, just ignore it. It's not there. Your girl is still learning how to, you know, do this on her own. So, yeah, it's not there. Just ignore it. Edges to blend. Then we're taking Credit, as we said, just to blend out the edges, and that'll also be our transition shade.
This is better.
Make sure to blend.
This is better.
Good. And for the following clips, you'll just notice that I go back and forth between the lid shade and the crease shade, just so that everything is blended in seamlessly. And how many times have I said seamlessly in this video? But you get it. So here I swatched 4 of the shades that I was thinking about putting on the lid, but there was only one that was really calling my name, as it should, which is called Zam. I did try to apply that shade Zam with a brush, but it's always better to apply these type of shadows with your finger. It can be a struggle when you have nails on, but obviously the payoff is definitely worth it. So you know the drill, everything we did on that eye, we're now doing to the other. And boom. So personally, I wanted to darken up the eyes, but not with a winged eyeliner. We are just going to use a gel liner to bring that into our waterline and tight lines, so it can just make a huge difference. Like, look at that. may or may not be something that people do, but I have seen it once, and since I've tried it, I like it. So yes, we are applying our concealer as a lipstick. So that sums it up, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this tutorial was very easy to follow. I created 2 beautiful makeup looks for Thanksgiving or just for fall in general. One for daytime, one for nighttime. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course any comments, concerns, leave them down below and I will respond. Everything will also be in the description box. And happy Thanksgiving! And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, obviously. Bye, familia. Mwah. Happy Thanksgiving!